Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to remove credit card, debit card, or any other payment methods from Apple ID on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Settings app on your mobile device. And once you are on your Settings app, tap on the name at the top of the settings screen. This will open your Apple ID settings. Then simply tap on Payment and Shipping. Now, once you tap on it, you might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate. Once you do that, simply tap on the card you want to remove or any payment method you want to remove. Then there you will get to see remove payment method option available. Tap on it and confirm that you want to remove the payment method, and the method will be removed from your Apple ID.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.